Hey guys, I'm Kavan, and on today's episode of PhotoForge, we're going post-apocalyptic again, but this time we're changing it up a little bit. I've seen several different artist renditions of this picture of a man holding a tree in a jar, kind of like he's preserving the last bit of nature. So we recreated that photo today with my guest model, Nick, so let's head out to the location and start shooting. I created the mask from a painter's mask and tubing I got at Home Depot. I painted both and attached them together with hot glue. To begin editing, I clean up the top of the jar where I glued the tube to make it look more smooth and natural. After that, I duplicate my base layer and add an unsharp mask to the image. I then duplicate the image layer again, but this time I add a blur to the top layer. Using my polygon lasso tool, I outline the subject, then erase the blur from the subject. The lasso tool allows you to erase everything that is inside the shape and nothing else. After that, I begin coloring by adding a black and white layer and lowering the opacity below 13%. Next, I add a selective color layer focusing on the blacks, neutrals, and whites. Following that, I add several more selective color layers to create the photo's look. Then, it's just a few small adjustments, and we're done. Well, that does it for this week's episode. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And a huge thanks to our guest model, Nick. Be sure you follow him here. He does amazing work, so check out all of his awesome stuff. And lastly, a huge thanks to our show sponsor, BayPhoto Lab. BayPhoto Lab is the best in photo prints. And the coolest part, if you sign up with BayPhoto Lab using me as your referral, you'll get 25% off your first order. To do this, you just have to click the link in the description below. With that said, I'll see you guys next time.